Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's see how to remove and change background of an image using three ways: PowerPoint, MS Word and Paint 3D without green screen. So as you see in this picture, we can easily remove the background of an image and we can paste it into another background of our wish. So let's see how to do this beautiful work in a jiffy. So as I said, the first way is to remove the background of an image using PowerPoint. So I have just cut and pasted an image of a cute cat. So you can paste any type of photo here, or if you wish you can also go to this insert tab which is next to this home tab, and you can click on this pictures drop down, and here you have two options, this device and also online pictures. So you can also go with these options if you don't wish pasting the images. So now let's come into removing the background of an image. So first of all, click this image and then go to the format option in the last. So that is the last tab which you have on the PowerPoint. So now after clicking it, the first option is going to be this remove background option. So click this, and after you click that, you see some default images here that the computer guessed is something that how the picture looks after removing the background. But we can see that most of the background is covered and this tail is not covered in this picture. So now what we are going to do is, we see here a small dotted box. So we are going to just click on a dot and we are going to just click and drag till the cat's head, that is till the object which you want to cover. So if you see, this is the outline of the cat. So for example, if you take any picture, the outline of the image should be near to this dotted line. Okay, we are gonna do the same for this box. So if this line, so here there is a bowl and the outline of the bowl is gonna be near to this line, dotted line. Now I am going to extend this to this cat's tail. Yes. Now let's make small changes so that the bowl is visible. Yes, now we have the whole cat, but here a small part of the cat is invisible. So what we are going to do is just click on the mark areas to keep. So we can just click that and automatically your pointer will turn on to a pencil shape. And now let's just click and we can draw the parts of the image which we need. Now you can see that the full cat has been come. To see the preview of the image, that how the image will look after removing the background, you can just zoom in into this small slide and you can see that how this image looks. And also if you want to remove any markings, you can click on this and automatically again your pointer turns into a pencil and you can just remove some parts if you don't need. The same thing is to click and drag, that is to click and draw, and you have the option discard all changes, which deletes all changes which you make, and this keep changes makes you save the changes that you have done. And delete mark means to delete the mark which you have done in this image. So let's now click on keep change, and now this is how the image looks after removing the background. It's too nice to see. Now the second way is using Microsoft Word. So for this I have come to the Microsoft Word. I have opened a blank document and I have cut and paste the same picture here. So you can also cut and paste the picture, or the same option you can go to the insert and you can click on this pictures drop down and go to these options, this device and online pictures, as I said in PowerPoint. Okay, now let's click on this picture and go to the same format option So you can hear that or everything is same in this word. Yes, the way we are going to remove the background is same as the PowerPoint. Yes. Now again click the remove background option, and then as I said, just drag these boxes till the outline of the object which you want to cover. Yes, let's drag this till the tail. As in the PowerPoint, we have the same options: mark areas to keep, mark areas to remove, delete mark, discard all changes, keep changes, etc. So you are going to use the same things for removing the background for the image. So I have just dragged the dotted lines to cover this photo and remove the background of this photo. So the rules to use these options are same, so no need to worry about removing the background in Word. So it's totally same in the as the PowerPoint. So as you click in the blank area, you can see that the picture has been removed. That is, the picture's background has been removed, and you get the picture alone. The next way, the third way, is using the Paint 3D app. So I have just opened a blank sheet, and now let's go to this magic select, and before you go to this, we can just paste our picture here and click on this picture and go to this magic select, where you will be able to remove the background. So the first step is to drag this dotted line till the outline of the cat. So as I said in the other two apps, we are going to bring this dotted line till the outline of the objects. Yes, now here at the right side you can see a box, so here you're gonna click on next. So after clicking next, the system itself gives you a small glimpse that how this should look, this image will look after the removal of background. So as you see here, the Paint has almost done every change which should be done in this picture. If you see, this light blue line around the cat is the line for the background removal. So you can see that this cat and this bowl is alone highlighted. And if you think to add these small parts of this bowl, you can click on this add, and you're going to click and draw at the points. So if you see some of the parts here, the line which I have drawn has added some of the image in this. And if you want to remove some parts, you should click on this remove button option, and we're going to click and draw. The part which you want to remove. Now it has been removed. Now let's click on done, and then the image will get loaded. And if you just click and drag this, you can see that the cat and the bowl is alone coming out from the picture. It looks like it is animation. So from the image, this cat and bowl is coming out. Is it really funny? Yes, this is the third and interesting and easier way of removing background. So instead of using this Word, PowerPoint and Paint 3D, there are also several online background remover websites which can be easily accessed. So if you see, I have just googled online background remover, and you see there are several websites for this. See, so if you think if you wish, you can also go to these websites and you can remove your background. If you think that this website is very easy to remove the background, And if you wish to download any apps in Android, there are also several apps to download in Android phone also. So you can just go to Play Store and you can find many apps by just typing online background remover. Now it's time to change the background for the cute cat here. So now I have just pasted an background for the cat, or you can also insert an image. Now resize the cat's image for your wish, and now let's click this cat and go to the format tab and click this bring forward drop down menu and click bring to front. Now just click and drag to this background right here. Now click this background, tree background, and while clicking on shift, click on this cat and click on Ctrl plus G. Now you have a beautiful image of the cat with seeing the bowl in a beautiful background forest. So yes, it's not a forest, it's a field. Yes, I have just done the same work to the cat in the Word. So the only option is the bring forward option is just available in the layout tab in the Word. So in PowerPoint you get the bring forward option in format tab, and in the MS Word you get the bring forward option or send backward option in layout tab. So that's the only difference, and I think this video is definitely useful, and definitely try your images like this and change your images to a different background, and tell your feedback for us in the comment box below. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.